Hey guys, we are HackTeX and welcome back to our channel. This is our first video of the beginner series, and on every Friday we will continue posting videos on beginner series until it's done. And in this video we are looking at how to install Kali Linux. For those who don't know what Kali Linux is a Linux distro made by Offensive Security for penetration testing and security audit. But before that, I would like to show you some other pen testing operating system. This is a Parrot operating system, which is also a Linux based operating system. Here are some other operating system for penetration testing. If you want to check this out, I will give the link in the description below. But the one here we are looking at is Kali Linux. Why Kali Linux? Because it has 600 plus tools, and also it's a very stable operating system compared to others. Also, Kali Linux has 4 types of installation. You can download ISO file from here. You can also check for 32-bit as per your PC compatibility. You can also boot Kali Linux as a live operating system in a pen drive. As you can see, it's also compatibility. You can also install it in mobile. For VMware, we have downloaded it from here, from the link. There are also 2 options for 64-bit and 32-bit. Also, you can download for VirtualBox as for the same. As your compatibility. Now let's move to the download page. As you are a torrent user, you can easily access the torrent file and download it from here. So let's hit enter and start. As I already downloaded the file, I will just show you how to start Kali in VM machine, as it's one of the easiest way to install Kali Linux. Let's hit the Kali VM machine. Here you have to open the virtual machine and browse the downloaded file and then select it. It's in my folder HackTeX and I am just selecting it. Okay. It's taking some time. Let's have patience. If you want to edit your VM machine, or want to give some extra space, or want to give some extra cores and RAM, you can configure from here. As per your specifications, you can edit it. Now let's start the machine. Yes, I checked it. Let's press enter. Hit enter. Okay, it's taking some time. Let's wait for. So I'm just changing the view for your compatibility. It's taking some time. As this always takes some time to process, let's wait for it. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, here we get the login page. By default, the username Kali Linux provide is Kali. Let me type for you, and also the password is Kali. Okay, let's wait for some more time. So here is the Kali Linux interface, and here are all the awesome tools of Kali, which we will show how to use it and get started with Kali in our upcoming videos. If you find this video informational, please do like, share and subscribe, and we will see you guys in our next video.